Away. What's up, guys? How's everyone doing this morning? Is it my public? Where's public? Let me see. Yo, Gali. What's up, guys? How's everyone doing? Good morning, everybody. Hope you all. What's the story?
You've been reviewed by funds after you take profit.
Those boys.
And we do it live on stream, huh?
Those kids.
You do it live on stream. I mean, it's crazy. Like, look, we're live on stream. Kali's live right now. I mean, they reviewed him after he eats massive 1-6 take profits.
Those are kids, man. Those are kids. What's up, guys? How you guys are doing? Euro GBP. Oh, wait, there's my G's. Up here, my Kali. El Capitano. What's up, my bro? Kali, all good. How's everyone doing this morning? Thursday morning. Nah, leave it. Don't give him hype, man. He wants hype, that guy. He's irrelevant. Yeah, leave it, man. Leave it. We're not here for people. We're here for making our money. So, my people, how was yesterday evening? Guys, on the market? It was crazy, bruh. It was crazy. I was actually on the call with Keys, and we were just chatting, like, not even trading related. And then we just opened the charts and we saw the market going insane, bro. Insane. So let's see how we can try and capitalize on some of the stuff that we've seen yesterday and try to take advantage of it today. I was looking for German 30. I was looking for potential positions here. The 4-hour close was very bearish, right? It was very bearish, the previous 4-hour close. Extremely bearish. I just don't like the fact that we left this week to the downside, right? My account is funded. We are funded. If I do see nice rejection, maybe on the 15-minute around this area here, I'd look to take a sell. It is a bit high risk, but yeah, let's see how it goes. For now, I'm just waiting it out, waiting for it to play out, waiting for some candlestick confirmation. I don't want it to break structure. If it breaks 5-minute structure, right, so my 5-minute, that's my previous high. If it breaks above that there convincingly, I'm going to wait it out. I don't like Donald Trump. Hey, bruh, but I think it's going to be fun now, man. It's going to be fun because that 10 minutes could have made you a good bag if you were in, you know. So, yes, the volatility is crazy or was crazy, but doesn't always mean that it's a bad thing. I mean, if you're on the right side of it, it was good. It was really, really, really good. So, yeah, I'm monitoring this. As I said, it's not my A or my textbook setup, right? But if I do see maybe a 15-minute rejection on this level of resistance, we probably go with small sells. You guys can join me if you guys like. But I'll let you guys know when I'm entering. If I do enter, that is. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at here on German. And as I said, it's just based on that previous 4-hour, lots of bearish momentum that's coming in. So yeah, that's the reason I would enter if I do. But as I said, I'm waiting for some nice, proper candlestick rejection. If I don't get that, we're not going to enter that. Gold. I'm waiting for gold to retrace, guys. I think we're going to get gold buys today. It's my gold chart. No, it's not my gold chart. Where's my gold chart? Gold, looking for buys on gold. I'm looking at lower time frame structure here as well, right? You guys saw. Let's go on to the 5-minute, okay? So as I mentioned, you guys, my 25 levels, you guys have seen it. You guys have worked with it. I explained it. So I got lots of feedback on that. Gold, I'm looking at 5-minute. It's very, very bullish. If we come down to our psychological level of 4852, and I get nice rejection, I'll potentially open buys. Mars, we're going to look for sells on gold from 845. So let's look at the daily. Let's go over the daily time frames. If you have a look at the daily, right? You see we had that wick that came in and looks like we're rejecting this point, but of course this daily candle is still open, right? But if I go into my lower time frame, we can see here we got multiple rejections. So we got a wick and we got a nice bullish engulfing pattern here, right? So if I just go to here, if I just go to that level of that 7.5, right? As I mentioned, I like these 7 or the 25 levels, right? You see we got that rejection. If you look at all the wicks, every wick gets higher, meaning the bearish pressure is getting a lot lower, right? So if you have a look at that first wick, it was at this point. The second wick was at that point. The third wick was slightly higher. So the bearish momentum is slowing down, okay? The bearish momentum is slowing down, which is why I'm looking for buys on this currently. I'd like to see price come to at least 4,850, right? So that's what I'm noticing on my higher time frame, right? On my lower time frame, if you have a look at my lower time frame, you can see here there's the rejections of that strong psychological level that I mentioned. 1, 2, 3. We had that third rejection, and if you have a look, price pushed up and broke these highs. Okay, so there is a lot of bullish momentum currently. Okay, then if we have a look at my 25 level, right, where we currently are, or just above, right, you'll see price pushed up, nice bullish close above this level, nice 30-minute close above this level, nice bullish candle, showing us lots of bullish momentum. Okay, and then if we go into our lower time frame, which is where I'm going to look to take my entry from, I'm just going to go into the 5-minute, as I mentioned. If you look at my 5-minute, it's giving me clean bullish structure, right? Lots of bullish momentum, right? Created a high. I use my fib from that low to that high. And if I use my fib from the low to the high, if you have a look at my hot zone, is lining up perfectly with my line of support. So it's adding confidence to why I think price is going to come there. You get it? So if we do come here, we get rejection, then we look to take a buy. Made 48K. Yo, nice one, Don. Yo. That's dope, my brother. Congratulations. Enjoy that money, my bro. Let's see. Let me come on my phone to check the chat. It's a bit easier. Guys, please like, share. You know the drill. Like, share, comment. GJ. Let's look at GJ. Okay, first let's go quickly to this and see what's happening here. Okay. It's fine. So I'll check this here in the 15-minute close. Someone just remind me, né? 4-hour bullish engulfing, 100%. So GJ, guys, remember we were looking at these buys yesterday, man. I plotted these levels on the chart. Price is pushing up, right? So definitely buys here. Price spiked into this psychological level here of that 750. Okay, it got rejection there and it's pushing to the upside. Still very bullish on this. Unfortunately, I didn't get in again. I didn't get in at this entry, but still very bullish on this. You guys know we've been tracking this for the whole week since Tuesday I was on. We've been tracking buys on this. Let's see if we can maybe take advantage of it on the lower time frame. What? 1 second. Yeah. 1 second, guys. Sorry about that. Yeah, so bullish on this here. Anticipating this to be the higher low price should push up and create a higher high. You'll also notice that we broke this very strong level here currently, right on the 4-hour. So maybe a retracement to this point here. Nice rejection as a support. I'm pretty sure it will come back. In fact, let's also plot this 500 as well. My bad. Let's do it like so. Right, price can come into this range here and we'll get nice rejection, then we'd look to enter. There, so basically something like so. Price pulling back, some nice rejection, then we look to continue the buy push to the upside. Gold falling slowly. 100% is gold falling slowly. That's good. We're waiting for it to come to our support of the 25. You rust. Showcase. Let's see. Yeah, we could get this here. We could get a retracement. To around these levels here. We'll wait for support. I don't think it'll be. Hey, but it might be fast there because there's a lot of volatility in the market. So just pay attention to that if it does come to that point. Let's go back to gold. People said it's falling. 1 second. Yo, there we go. Can you see gold is falling, guys? There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's see. We could potentially get a buy. We could potentially get a buy from this point. All right. So our trade should look something like so. Right. I'll tell you once I'm entering. I just want to give it some gap to breathe, and then we'll target, of course, that point over there. Okay. So potential buys on gold. Let's see how this 5-minute closes. So we're going to see a nice rejection on this level of support. It's at 26. Okay, 100%. Yeah, we're there now. We're there now. We're there now. We're there now. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. You can see how it's behaving currently. Right. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. So my account is funded. My account is funded. Let's see on the 1 minute what we're seeing. Guys, here you go. My account is funded with 7 grand. That's what I'm willing to risk on this trade. Right, it's a real account, of course. Let's see how it looks on the 1 minute. Okay. So it is the open. Okay, I'm jumping in now with gold buys. I'm taking gold buys now, guys. Right now, I'm in gold buys. So there's the setup. Someone sent it to my community as well. Those are in the FTMO group or whatever. I'm in gold buys, everyone. I entered right over here. Okay. Stop loss is below my previous low, right? Stop loss is below my previous low, which is around 4818, and my take profit 100%. Yo, we're moving. We're already in profit. Let's see if this momentum can continue pushing to the upside. Are you guys in? Are you guys in? No, don't buy now. Yo, someone is saying don't buy now. Hey, it reached all my confluence, man. So I'm in. But if you're against it, then don't enter the trade, guys. This is just my setup, my trades that I'm sharing with you guys. If you're not comfortable with it, don't enter, guys. Don't enter. You're buying now, you're scared. Nah, don't be scared. Just manage your risk. Don't go in too heavy. And just see how it plays out. Just see how it plays out. Let's see. Remember, stop loss below previous lows. Take profit. We're targeting, of course, higher highs. If price, that is, pushes up to at least the previous high, consider taking out partial profits and move stop loss to entry. But I'll advise you guys as it moves. Right? But we're already in profit. This is gold. This is gold, brother. This is gold. Are you guys in? Anyone in? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. I want to see a nice rejection close on the 5 minutes, and then yeah, we'll see how it plays out from there. What's the currency to enter? It's gold. It's XAU USD. We are in XAU USD. I'm in. We trade the same, but I'm waiting on 72.92. You waiting for what? Let me see. 92. No, that's a lot higher, my G. That's a lot higher. Oh, no. Sorry, that's a lot lower. My bad. Oh, you're waiting for a deeper retracement. I understand. You're waiting for a deeper retracement. That does make sense, bro. It does make sense. But I'm trading the open. I'm hoping that momentum continues pushing up. So you're waiting for a deeper retracement, which is possible. If price breaks my 5 minute structure, then I'd look towards that. But as long as my 5 minute for now is still bullish, I'm still going to attempt the buys. If it breaks my previous low and takes out my stop loss, then definitely we could get a deeper retracement around these areas of the fib. So yeah, Marcy in the building. Shout out Kyle, my brother. Shout out my bro. Shout out my G's. Let's see how it plays. 15-minute, we got a rejection. Hey, just sometimes gold and the wicks can be hectic, bro. Yo. So I don't want to go in too aggressive. But yeah, let's see how it plays out. How many people are in? How many people are in this trade? If we do break these lows, then the next point of entry could be around here. Around this area here. That's if we do break, but for now it's still bullish, so I'm still in the buys. Even 800, it could come to this point here if it breaks the lows. But for now, 5-minute is bullish. I'm entering based on that, in anticipation that the bullish momentum is still strong and it'll push up from this point. If it doesn't, if it pushes down, breaks my structure, then the next level of entries will be around there. In our. Let's see, German. HCI, I don't like that. See that 15-minute close above that line of support. So it's not the greatest for me. It's not the greatest for me. So I wouldn't look to take anything on German just yet, bro. For me personally. So as long as we're above that line of support, we still okay. We're still good. You in. Kale, what's your stop loss? So the stop loss is on the screen, guys. It's 4818. So my stop loss has to be below my previous low, right? Because remember, price is creating higher highs and higher lows, right? So even if prices comes here, it's still regarded as a higher low, and we can still anticipate price to push up and create a higher high. You with me? So our stop loss has to be below the previous low. It has to be below there. I know a lot of us would prefer tighter stop loss, but if we make our stop loss too tight, our trade can still be valid and we can get wicked out, right? Because of course it hasn't broken structure yet. So our stop loss has to be below that point. Use Genulo. Okay, gold buys make sense and might push higher. Yep. Based on confluences here, structures bullish, 4 hours closed above the 25, so it does make sense to me. What's the market reaching in Trump's speech? Yes, I think it was. I think the reaction of the market yesterday was due to Trump's speech. There's a lot of stuff that's going on fundamentally. I'm not huge on fundamentals. I know they have a massive impact to the market, don't get me wrong on that. But like I'd be lying if I say I keep up with exactly what's happening every day and stuff like that. I really don't. But yeah, I'm sure that had a huge impact on why the market behaved like that, eh? I'm sure it had a huge impact on why it behaved like that. Let's see, we could come back and test one more time that 25 before we start to see that push to the upside. Let's wait and see. Let's go. What happened to me last night? I missed the gold move. Your gold move last night, bruh. Gold moved all over. Hey, bro, 5K account. What's this guy saying? I'm not sure what this guy's saying. I'll just respond to that later. So yeah, guys, while we wait for this, how's everyone been? What's everyone up to? How's the trading going for the week? Profitable week, slow week for you? How's it been, guys? You taking a loss for the week? How's it been? Let me know in the chat how's it been. My man Jerry says, sounds like I had a rough night. Nah, man, I just struggled to sleep last night, guys. Let me check the comments here. I've been looking at the market so much, I started dreaming about trading. Hey, brother, sometimes you have dreams, yeah? Well, I don't know if you guys have had it. You have a dream that maybe you're floating a ridiculous amount of money. I don't know if you guys have had that. Like, you're floating hundreds of thousands. Like I had once that I was trading like 900,000, and I closed it and I was so happy. And in my dream, I'm telling myself, I think it's a dream. And then in the dream, I'm saying, no, it's not a dream. I was so disappointed when I woke up. Hey, Jeremiah. Still not convinced with German sales. I don't like the fact that it's above the support, my brother. I'm not saying it can't fall, but I just don't like the fact that it's still above that level of support, So I wouldn't, I wouldn't say it's safe to sell above when the market's still above the support. So ideally maybe wait for the 15-minute close and then see from there. Gold, what's the story? Let's go back to our gold trade. Still around entry, just above entry. Slight blues, nothing crazy for now. But yeah, let's see how it plays out. My galleys. Hey, this thing is a bit delayed. Slightly delayed on trading view now. Yeah, I had those dreams. That happened to you last night. I was floating, flipping hell, 90k, my bro. Hey, there we go. It's pushing up nicely in our gold. Who's in gold, guys? If you're in gold, just let me know. So I just have how many. I have an idea of how many people are in. I made 6.3 on gold. Nice, my brother. That's dope. Once I had a dream I was floating millions. Hey, bruh. Hey, those dreams when you wake up, yo, you wanna go back to sleep to go back to that dream. Yes, sir. Floating nicely. Decent. We decent. The people are in. That's dope. That's dope. Let's see how it goes. W's in the chat. Let's see how it moves. Let's see what I want to see. So 5 minutes, I want to see a strong bullish close like this, engulfing these other two candles there. That would be ideal. Guys. 15-minute close, I want to see it push, man. I want to start to see it push because we got that rejection of that 25. We got that rejection, so I'm just hoping that 5-minute structure just holds. Left 1k to pass my 50k challenge. My bro, you're gonna kill it. When you come close to passing a challenge, guys, don't rush it, eh? A lot of the times when you will be so close and then you just try to rush it just to get over the line and then you'll take unnecessary losses. So just take it easy. What's my say on US 30? Let me see, US 30. 1 second, let me just have a look at the 1 minute if we're bullish. So I need the 1 minute to turn bullish as well. See, this previous highs here is holding. So I wanted to do this on my 1 minute. Let me show you. I wanted to start doing this now. Once it does that, then I know we should be okay. US 30, I think US 30 is gonna buy, but I'm just worried about the previous. See, why I'm not trading US 30 now? I think it's the same for Nasdaq. Can you see this wick here, guys? On this 4 hour, the market is still within this area, right? Okay, even leave alone this part here, just within this area here, right? So I want to see a 4 hour close out of that area. So if it closes above, then I'd look for potential buys. If it closes below, I'd look for potential sells. But for now, it's still within the area. I'm chilling. I'm waiting for proper candlestick confirmation for it to come out, and then we'd see how we can chop it from there. GBP USD. Okay, I'll go over that shortly. Let's have a look at GBP USD. So GBP USD heavily dependent on the dollar. If the dollar pushes up, you're gonna see sells here on this here, which makes sense on my lower time frame, my 4 hour time frame rather, because I can see price created a high. Price created a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low. This could be a lower high for the market to push down and create a lower low, right? There is also a strong level of resistance here, which is a psychological level of 500. Let's just see how it looks. That looks decent, but I think the main level is at 250. Let's have a look at that 250 level. So I think as long as we in between this area, wait it out. See, we're currently stuck within this area. See here, there's a resistance. We're still above that point, so I think just wait it out. But if the dollar does push up, we could definitely see this here fall down, and this will basically be the lower low, and that will be the lower high, and the market will push down and create a lower low. If the dollar, on the other hand, does not push up and comes down, then we could see the support of this 250 where price is currently above now. Hold the market and push it up, right? Because if you have a look here, you see when it rejected, it fell. When it rejected, it fell. When it was above, it pushed up. When it was above, it pushed up. So we currently, if you look at this 4 hour now, we are still above it. You with me? So where it is now, I wouldn't say it's safe to take anything just yet. 5-minute close. Let's go back on gold. Hope this thing doesn't retrace further down. Yeah, the 5-minute close is nice. Decent close. Nice bullish engulfing. Engulfed that previous candle. A nice engulfing pattern. We are in slight profits, like 800 rand, fluctuating around there. True, I was left with two. Listen to this. The Bru was left with 230 rand to pass a challenge. Went back to 2k and I needed 6k to pass, but it's a lesson learned. Yeah, definitely. Didn't go to school today, wasn't feeling well. It's a little nicer to be here. Yo, you guys are not going to school and stuff. Yeah, we're moving nice now. Yeah, we're 2 grand up. We're 2 grand up, guys. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. 2 grand up. Moving nicely. Remember, if you want a risk-free trade, move your stop loss to entry. Whenever you feel that, you know, you're not willing to take a loss. Like, for example, if you went in very aggressive and you want to move your stop loss to entry, by all means, feel free to do so. Yes, gold is in profit, 100%, 100%. Be nice, let's go. Let's see how the momentum must just keep pushing up, and yeah, let's see if we can make some bag, guys. Guys, quick one. When, like, look at this thing now. When we're breaking down the chart, when I'm breaking down the chart, is it helping you guys? Is it making sense? You know, are you guys learning from it? Just let me know in the chat. Are you guys learning from it? Should we add more? I don't add more, man. I don't add more just yet. Remember on the 1 minute I drew the structure. I want to see create higher highs, higher lows. It looks like we are creating those higher highs, higher lows. I just want something a bit more convincing now to see that bullish structure. And then after we break this high, if we do, hopefully, then we're away. Then we're definitely away. Because remember, on the 5 minute time frame, that's structure there. So that's the high. So around which point? So around here, I'll consider starting moving profits, moving stop loss to entry once price reaches these areas here. That's when I'll consider maybe moving stop loss to entry, or I'll just see how much I'm up at that point and I'll monitor from there. But yeah, are you guys learning a lot, guys? Are you guys... Is it assisting you guys when we're off stream, or when I'm off stream, rather, let me just talk for myself. Is it assisting you guys in taking your own trades, learning big time compared to other mentors? Oh, I'm glad, my G. I'm glad. My level of understanding is improving thanks to the streams. Nice. I've been learning such good source. I'm learning from the best. Shout out. You're breaking down the charts look easy, helpful for us that are still learning how to do so. Learning a lot, bro. I did learn something. Did your group mentorship? How you explain now, everything makes sense. 100% we're gaining knowledge. That's good. Yeah, back at entry. Prices around back at entry now again. But let's be patient. Overall structure on the 1 minute is still bullish. Let me see how this 30-minute closes. If we get a nice strong 30-minute close, guys, that'll be awesome. Yeah. Let's see. I would prefer if we had a longer wick to the downside, to be honest. Meaning I prefer if this was a little higher up. But let's check how it plays out. We're still above that level of support. As long as we're still above there, we're still okay. Your lives shows are amazing. Thank you, Clinton, my G. The best thing is everything is clear. Where's my take profit? So my take profit here will be 48.50. Ideally, that's where my take profit will be, 48.50. That will be a nice area for take profit for me. And also the reason for that is because it is a very strong psych level. If you guys have a look here, how the market reacted here, reacted there. So hopefully that this can draw towards that level around there. That would be dope. Currently back at entry though. Wait, Daryl, my G. Money Maker Masi, what's up, my brother? What's up, my G? As for me, I learned a lot on the stream, much better than the videos I've been watching on YouTube. Nice. Do you think Trump will make US 30 push to 100K? Hey, guys, with Trump, anything is possible, man. Fundamentally, anything is possible now. Anything is possible. But I do think we're gonna see gold reach 5,000. Not necessarily today, of course, but I mean overall, I do see gold going to 5,000, guys. I do see gold going to 5,000. Please teach us fundamental analysis, how you read them. So as I mentioned, I'm not big on fundamental analysis. I do read quite a bit when it comes to news events like your CPI and NFP and stuff like that. So with that there, I do read a lot, but on a daily basis, I'd be lying to say, man, that I'm big on fundamentals and I know how to analyze them properly. I don't. I'd be lying. I'm a technical trader. Thanks to Space Markets. Yeah, shout out to Space Markets. Shout out to Comit Capital. Link in the bio or in the description below, rather. Tapped into a bearish fair value gap. Let's see. Hey, see, it's pushing down now, this thing, né? But it must just hold. This 25 must just hold for us, man. I hope it doesn't wick too deep in, though. I hope it doesn't wick too deep in. Yesterday I also sent a signal on gold. It was moving nicely, and then around what was it, 5 o'clock, it just changed, bruh. Gold is dangerous. But I know some people make crazy money off gold. Let's see how this 500 closes. If we get a nice rejection of that 25, that'll be good. That'll still be good. This Bruce says stop loss coming soon. You think so, bruh? Hey, I'd be very disappointed if stop loss comes. I'd be very, very disappointed, man. I'd be very disappointed if stop loss comes. But I took it based on my analysis and my thing. So if it happens, it happens. We wait for the next setup and we operate again. Gold is disrespectful, man. Gold is disrespectful. But as long as we're above this previous high, this previous low here, we're still okay. It's still a buyer's market based on this 5-minute time frame. As long as we're above there, it's still buyers. So let's wait and see. Could this just be a wick, or could it be taking us out? My stop loss is here on the screen, guys. 48.18. That's my stop loss. It's on the screen. This is my stop loss. That's my take profit. It's a 1-to-3 risk and reward ratio on this trade. Yeah, I'm still holding my buys. Remember, this could just be a wick. Should be a wick to create rejection for that. So as long as we above this here, we're still sharp. We're still good. See, we currently looks like we're rejecting. So let's hope we continue rejecting. Alright, you see, we're back around our entries now, or slightly lower than our entries, but yeah. Hold your buys. Yeah, we're holding. As long as it doesn't hit stop losses, we're still in, bro. We're still in. This could be a goal taking out people with a tighter stop loss. Yeah, remember what I said, guys, when I told you about the stop loss. Now imagine I placed the stop loss too tight here. This could have potentially taken us out, or would have taken us out rather. I'm not saying it's not going to take us out, but I'm saying based on just that rejection of that wick, it could have taken us out. So stop loss needs to be where stop loss needs to be, not where you think the markets are going to come to, or you hope the markets are going to come there. Based on my setup, if market is bullish, as long as it's creating higher highs and higher lows, my buys are still on. You with me? So based on that, it's still creating higher highs, higher lows. This can still be regarded as a higher low because it's still higher than that point. You with me? So based on that, my buys are still safe. They are still valid, bro. GBP USD is going down now. Is it? Let's see. Yo, see off that 250 level, how it's sinking, bruh. Yeah, I'll wait for the 4-hour close. If it closes below, then I'd look to get in entries here back on the lower time frame, like my hourly time frame or so, to go and push and create that lower low. 1 minute. How much are you risking? I'm risking 7 grand on this trade. 7 grand. Let's see what happened to German. I see. Let's see. Yeah, see. For the person that was asking me, would I consider selling at that point? See, when price closed above there, I knew it's not the safest. See, I don't like that previous 5-minute close on gold. Let's go back to gold. Hey, we're all over the place now. Let's see, how did it close? Did it close above or below? Let's check. So the previous 5-minute close just above if you have a look at that close. So let's hope that this current one can maybe push back up and come back above that level of support. Sean sold is it stops at break even at 833. Ah, you got in a nice entry for the sales, bro. At least if it pushes down, someone makes money. No one, at least not everyone loses. GJ approaching my level of entry. Are you serious? So quick. Bro. Yeah, it is approaching. Yo. See, I told you guys it's quick, yeah? Yeah, if it comes around here, we get rejection, we can look to enter GJ's buys. But overall on gold, guys, I'm still bullish overall, yeah? On gold as well. So let's just see. I'll use this as a low. That's a high. That's my low. That's the high. You see how nicely that's lining up? This area, yeah? It's lining up nicely, so... Let's see. Stops at break even, gold took you out. Gold took you out on the buys. That's because you never used correct risk management, my G. You went in too aggressive. You went in too aggressive, my bro. So I'm still in drawdown. I'm in drawdown, as you guys can see. We need gold to close back above this 25, man. Unless we're going to see a huge retracement. Oh, which I hope we don't. If we see a huge retracement, then I'd use that as that low. That as that high. Then we could see it come around here. And then wait for buys around here. But that means we'll get this trade long. So I don't want to see that. I want 5-minute structure to hold. I want the 5-minute structure to hold. Let's have a look at the 1-hour time frame. Okay. 30-minute time frame. Yeah, even if it anchors around this area, as long as this 30-minute closes above that 25, we still sharp if that happens. Two minutes for this close. Let's check. Sean, shout out my G. Thanks for the insight. On that. Been holding gold and US30 from 2 a.m. this morning. Yo, from 2 a.m. Then I'm sure you deep up, my bro. Speed drop. What's that, my brother? Gold is messing with me, man. Let's see how this 5-minute closes. How many minutes for the 15-minute close? 6 minutes. Okay, sharp. We can still reject you on the 15 minutes, so let's see. Let's wait and see. Shame about EuroCAD last night. Was holding it nicely on that level. EuroCAD. Yeah, we were looking at EuroCAD in the group last night, eh? Let me have a look at that in the meantime. You're looking at sales there in EuroCAD. Oh, buys. Yeah, this is a strong level of buys, yeah, on EuroCAD. Psychological level of 500. Yeah, it could push up. I think on this 4-hour close, if we get an engulfing, we can enter. We could potentially enter buys on this. Let's see. Let's wait and see if it respects 5-minute support. 100%, my brother. You'll only know once the candlestick is closed. Remember, this could just be a wick. It could just be a wick. So that's why I've been preaching to you guys. Candle closures are very, very important. Let's have a look. If you have a look, see now that 5-minute looks like it might close back above that line of support. So we're still sharp for now. Guys. We're still okay for now. As long as it doesn't hit our stop loss, our trade is still valid. In fact, let me type this in the group since it's not moving that fast, so I have some time to type to my signal group. 1 second. Trade. XAU USD. I think they'll get in a slightly better entry than us now. but it's all Gucci. 48 to 6. GP 48.50. Sorry about that, guys. I was just typing to one of my communities. But yeah. So, rejection on that 5 minute, a bit of it engulfing. Let's see on the 15 minute what seems to be happening. If this 15 minute can just give us some bullish momentum, man, then we'd be nice. Let's see on the 1 minute. 1 minute, we've taken out those highs. Have we really? I don't really. No, not really a convincing break just yet. But yeah, let's wait and see. Let me come to the chat now. Gold would reverse at 48.11. Yo, you think it's gonna go that low? Man, I'm hoping it doesn't go so low, but it's possible. Stop using stop loss. What you can do is horizontal lines on your support, take profit. Stop using stop loss. What you can do is use a horizontal line to support you, take profit. You're closer to the picture. Hey, I don't know what that means, my brother. Pushing up, thank you. Away. Hammer candle. Yeah, nice hammer candle on the 5 minute. I've been holding gold till it reached 5,000. Yo, guys, if you guys can hold that, man, that would be flipping great, bruh. That would be a good trade, bruh. If it goes all the way to 5,000 and you're holding from now, yo, you'd make gang money, bro. You'd make gang money. Still above the support, which is good. Let's just push up, take profit. Let us relax in peace, man. Go reverse. Guys, what do you prefer trading? Morning sessions or evening sessions? Like around 4 o'clock or so. What do you prefer? I got entries at... Yeah, that's a good entry, bro. Around the 23 mark, that's a nice entry. That's a good entry. 48.10. Yeah. 48.10. Hold. Yep, we're holding steady. Let's see how it goes. Looks okay for now. A nice 5 strong close will be good. 5 minute strong close in the 5 minute will be ideal. Let's do both morning and evening. I would have other people that comes in the evening. You go for morning, evening, bigger sticks, evening. I prefer both. evening, both, bro. Morning. There we go. That's nice. Looking good. Both early morning Asian session on gold and GJ. Okay, we're back in profit now. I prefer late evenings, okay? I'd also want to do a late session with you guys, man, like around 7 or so, where I do more educational things, you know? So we're back in profit. I'd like to do that, so I'll speak to them. Because during this time, of course, I'm trying to get a trade. I'm also trying to teach. It's a bit much, you know? So if I do something in the evening, how many people would join? Let me know. How many people would join if I do an evening session? I can try and arrange it with them. Maybe if I do it once a week or so. Let me know if you guys would enjoy that. Or even on the Tuesday evening where we break down the charts for what could potentially expect for the week. Stuff like that. Let me know. Doesn't want to break structure on the lower time frame, and that's the only issue. So and when I say lower time frame, I mean like on the 1 minute and stuff. I needed to break this. See here, it's still creating these lower lows and lower highs. Structure here is still doing this. That's what I'm afraid of, guys. But I'm hoping that the support holds and builds enough momentum to push up above. Let's see on the 15 minute, yeah, decent rejection. So you see that rejection on the 15 minutes, not bad at all. We would love that. Oh, let me go back to chat. Should I ask you guys a question? I never check how many responses I got. Guys, please also like. If I get 200 likes here. Okay, let's see if I get 150 likes. I'll do those evenings, the afternoon sessions. Morning makes my day. Shout out Jumbos. Evening moves for indices. Do you trade morning and evening? I trade all. I like, but I mean, when I'm talking about what would you prefer, I mean, like, when would you prefer me to come on morning or the evening? I'm down. We would appreciate that, Magali. Momo Sidzo in the building. Shout out Momo Sidzo, late session. That makes sense. I'm there. Put a Paul. You're still waiting for the 24-hour stream. Yeah, so the 24-hour stream, they're going to arrange it, guys. They're going to arrange that. I think they want to get to 5,000 if I'm not mistaken. They will let me know. But whatever you guys want, I'm there. If you guys want to see me trade for 24 hours, I will be there. Of course, I got to join. I'll be there after 5. Yeah. So I'm thinking if we do the session, we'll do it like at 7 p.m. or so. So everyone's back from work. Everyone's relaxed at that time. And then we just sit down, we chat, we look at opportunities. I drop some gems for you guys, The idea of this is, I must say, at the end of this year, that these streams, or my goal personally, I don't know about the streams goal, but my goal personally is that, they learned a lot from my streams, You learned a lot from my streams, that it helped you all become traders that you are. That's my goal. For me personally. I just got my payout from yesterday's gold. Dango! Nice one, my G. Whatever time will be there. Anytime is tea time. Late is great, my G. Where's Alex today? Hey, Alex is roaming around. You can see how quiet it is here now. It's a very relaxed environment without Alex. Shame, but he's a good guy. You try not to miss my lives. Hope, shout out my bro. Guys, please like. How many likes are we on? Can someone see how many likes we're on currently? Once we break the high, if we do break the high, we're gonna fly.
Did you take a trade already?
Yeah.
What you?
Gold. Buys, yeah. Why? It's very slow though. Waiting for 1 minute to break structure.
The whole team is waiting for you.
Who?
All of us.
For what?
For your trade.
Oh. It looks good, but I'm waiting for 1 minute to break. If 1 minute breaks, I'm just hoping that it breaks this. Let's see. Let's see if we can add. So I don't really trade trend lines, but I like those breakouts. Hey, technically we broke out, man. Technically we broke out. Let's see if I move it from here today, if it still needs more stuff to do. Oh, that's where it needs to break, guys. It needs to break this year. If it breaks there, I'm sure we can vie. If it breaks that level, let's see. Let's wait and see. I'm down, definitely. How do I get access to my Telegram group? So my Telegram group is a paid group, my bro. It's 7.5. It comes with like one-on-one mentorship session. So it's Zoom calls with me, one-on-one. And it's done in real time. So the reason why I don't believe in pre-recorded stuff is because, as I think I did mention it before here, if something's pre-recorded, I'm not able to correct you. I'm not able to correct you. I don't know what you're doing wrong. So it's easy for me to explain everything now. And it makes sense when I'm explaining and you're seeing it like this. It makes a lot of sense. But when I go off stream and you plotting it yourself, it might not be as easy at that point, and that's when you need someone to guide you and adjust things where you need to be adjusted. And if no one is doing that, you could be the wrong thing for the longest of time and you don't understand what you're doing wrong because of course you think you're doing it correctly, So yeah, that's basically it, my G. No sound, can't hear. Aibo. How come? Can you guys hear me now? What the? There's no sound. There's no sound.
Why is it cutting?
I don't know. They're saying there's no sound. We can hear you. Oh, you guys can hear me now? Yes, I can hear you now. Away, shout, sharp.
Oh, it's good.
Okay. So I don't know why it cut off for some reason. Yeah, so what I was saying, I said someone asked me how much is it to be in my community. So my community is 7.5 and it comes with in-person sessions as well. And the reason why I do in-person sessions or sessions via Zoom like I'm doing so now is because, and I don't believe too much in pre-recorded courses, is because pre-recorded courses you can watch and you think you understand. Like, for example, when I'm plotting everything now, I'm sure it's easy for a lot of you guys to understand. But if I go off stream and I leave this chart naked, it's not going to be as easy because, of course, you guys are just starting off, you know. So sometimes what you need is someone to sit down and guide you, so you know exactly what you need assistance with, where you're making mistakes, what needs to be adjusted. So the pre-recorded course, if I just record a course, it'll be much easier for me, because when I'll make money off it because I'll sell it, of course, right? And number two, I just record it once and I just resell the whole thing. So it'll make much more sense for me to do that. But then it'll be a disadvantage to you guys because sometimes you can understand what I'm saying, but your application is totally wrong, you know? So yes, it is more time consuming than just recording and just sending, which is why the price is at 7.5. I mean, it's not ridiculous, but I mean, it's not the cheapest as well. Because of course, it takes time for me to link up with you on Zoom calls and stuff like that, you know. It takes a lot of my time. Sound is off again. But I mean, it's not the cheapest as well. Because of course, sound is good. Sound is back. Oh yeah.
Let me just check it. So?
Stuff like that, you know. It takes a lot of my time. Sound is off again. No, sorry. If you heard that, then it couldn't have been off.
I don't know what they were saying, bro.
Sound looks fine, guys. Okay, looks like we're breaking above that level that I was above that support, guys. I mean, that trend. So we're back into profit. Still good. Our sound is on. Okay, cool. Looks like we're breaking above. Let's see. Back in profit. People are using slow internet. Yeah, this guy's evil. Bruce saying you guys are using slow internet.
Yeah, because the thing didn't go off at all, bro. It's crazy.
Maybe it's one of the service providers. Sound is good. Nah, bro, I must check his phone.
Rain, bro.
I see this thing. It's struggling to break above here, man.
Using it, you know, rain.
Yeah, I know rain.
Yeah,
See, I needed to break above here, guys.
rain
I don't like that.
box.
I don't like that close of that 1 minute.
Have you seen that?
The
rain with the speaker box.
I haven't
You know,
seen it.
a speaker box with rain Wi-Fi with a speaker box.
What you mean a speaker box?
Because you know some of the bros, they like to walk with the speaker box in the street.
It's a boom box
a boom box
with a Wi-Fi.
with a Wi-Fi in. I promise you, bro. I promise you. They see it, you know, they like, let's look at this. People walk with speaker box in the road, the boom box.
Guys, Rain has a speaker box Wi-Fi. What?
I promise you. And then they put in the Wi-Fi also so they can walk around and play their music.
Yo, aye. That's next level. Hey guys, talking about sound. I know there's a lot of car gurus that also trade. Based on like sound system, yeah. What would you guys say is better? JBL or Alpine?
Alpine, bro.
You say Alpine?
Alpine is good. Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah. I like Alpine, bro.
JBL or, there we go, it's moving now. JBL or Alpine, guys? Let me know in the chat, guys. Please help me. You know, I like cars, but I'm not like I'm not good at how it works and what's a good brand.
You wanna put in a good
On my E30, yeah. Bro, grain is good. Yeah, I broke number, bro. So let's hope we can continue pushing up. So we are in profit now. Alpine all the way. JVL, man. See, it's hard. JVL. Let's see.
Alpine, bro.
JVL. Alpine. Boost, JVL. Boost is JVL, right? No.
I don't know, it's Boost, bro. Alpine is good, bro.
Alpine.
Yeah.
Alpine for the E30 period, correct. So my face. Okay, we're back in profit. See, it's nice when we talk about other things while we trade. So my face or my deck rather, ne? What's it called? Deck. Yeah, my deck is Alpine. Hey, I heard Kicker is not as good as those two, bruh. Cause I had Kicker in my old car. Oh, we're nice now. We're floating nice, guys. Are you in? There we go. We're moving nicely. There you go. JVL Harmon card in. Ooh, 3 grand up. Let's go. Patience pays, guys. What did I tell you? As we break above that point. How much are you guys in? We are moving nicely. W is in the chat. Rockford. Hey, Rockford is nice. I heard Rockford is also nice. How do you access your Telegram group? 7.5 to access, my brother. Hey, I heard Pioneer's not the one, guys. I always thought Pioneer was the one. Try Targa. Hey, even Targa, I heard it's not as good as those two. I want something not where it's like a taxi now. One clear, good sound. Clear, good sound. Up 3K. Nice. How much are we up, guys? How much are we up? How much are we up? I'm up 3 grand. I'm up 3 grand. Well, just under 3 grand. But yeah. Now we just need to break this level here. Guys, see where it is now currently, right? Be careful of this level, right? Remember I drew this line and I said when price comes here, consider taking out some profits or moving stop loss to entry. So do consider doing that, right? Especially if you went in aggressive. Yeah, because this is a small level of resistance and I don't want you to come all the way back down. Can you see that? Can you guys see that, right? So just monitor from here, right? We got that entry. We got a nice push to the upside. So yeah, monitor from there. 1 second. Let me just update my group. Someone on my US30 group, tell the bros to monitor. They can move stop loss to entry if they wish, and if they want a risk-free trade. See, I don't like this thing. Yeah, once we break above, the only time it's like 100% safe where I think, right, it's definitely gonna go all the way is once we break that level. Because remember on the 5-minute time frame, right, this is the 1 minute, but I can see it's doing this, right. But it's still not bad, eh? It can still do all the way that, because it hasn't convincingly broken this yet. But even if it just does this here, in fact, we're actually good. If it just comes up a little bit higher just to break this level, we should continue pushing to the upside. Let me come back to the chat. Did you move your stop loss? Yes, if you're gonna move your stop loss to entry, do so, guys. Do so. That way you're not stressing. You can just try and ride it all the way up, There's no more risk on the table. You're selling now. I'd see why you'd sell based on that lower time frame structure. I would see that, but for me, I'm still buying. Let's wait for London open 1 hour close. JL audio sound. You think is that good? I think I have heard of that. We need to break above this level, guys. Let me see what's happening on the 5 minute. Let's go back to my 5 minute. Okay, nice bullish there. Structure wise, you guys can see we're still fine. Yeah, let's see my 30 minute. I want a stronger 30 minute. Let's see my 1 hour. Oh, there we go. 1 hour. 1 hour looks okay. If 1 hour can turn bullish overall, oh, this will go, eh? If the 1 hour turns bullish now, we are gone. If the 1 hour turns bullish now, we are out. We are moving, bro. Hey, guys, there's Alex. Guys, they're asking about you.
Why? What did they say?
They say the stream is so nice when you're not around. You don't make noise.
What?
I'm just joking.
I don't make noise anyways.
I'm just joking. There's Alex, guys. They were asking where you are.
Yay. That signal I sent yesterday on gold, bro.
Yeah, that was good. Alex sent a signal apparently. Yeah.
Closed, bro. I haven't used your Fibonacci, eh?
Yeah, my foot is powerful.
That thing's so...
W's out there.
Bro, I missed this now.
W's in the chat.
This is nonsense.
I'm glad my people are making money. So yeah, there we go. We're up. Of course, it's a live account. You guys already know. I trade live personal accounts, not funded prop accounts and stuff, guys. Everything is my own money. But let's see.
Go.
I want a strong close, man. It must close above this thing.
Hey, man, they're nice to me, eh?
Who?
They're very nice to me.
Who?
Chat,
the chat. Yeah, the chat likes you, bro.
Thanks, chat. I appreciate that. Work hard, play hard. You know what they say.
The chat likes you, bro.
Bro, but my signal. Yo, bro.
Let's see. What are you doing? Has anyone closed? Still holding? See with this, we can still get a wick that comes back down to 25 before it pushes up. I'm hoping we don't though, because we had a breakout, retest. Now it must just continue going. That'll be perfection. That'll be dope. That'll be dope. That'll be dope. That'll be dope. www. Alex is back. How many people are on? What? You can? Oh, damn. Let's see how many people are on. Holding. You holding, boss. Away. Holding. How many likes do we have, guys? Can someone see the likes? Because I did say I will try and get me to do an evening session with you guys. This thing can come all the way back down to entry before it goes.
Minus. Swap 25,000.
Yeah. Let's keep holding. Now hold, bro. Yeah. Let's see. It must just break above this resistance, guys. And then we going. Take a video for the chat.
Bro, chat is so nice, bro. Like,
Guys, you really made Alex day. You're saying chat is so nice.
No. They know. They must know. Let's go, Gali.
What must I say?
Nah, Gali, just be yourself. You gave a nice trade out, and it was not on a hedge fund. It was live stream.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah,
Tell me to go.
yeah. Use that H1 thing, bro. Like,
Okay.
Yeah, do something. Let's
Like
and
a hedge fund will never
we need
show
our
you that.
team, all your streamers.
Yes.
They must support us, bro. They must support us.
Woo!
Let's go, Gali.
We're moving.
What's happening on live on stream?
Live on stream.
What's
Gave
happening,
out
Gali?
buys on
Show
gold. Not a hedge fund. What? My own capital, my own money. I show up daily and I give setups.
Yeah, live.
Daily and give
Let's see,
setups.
drop W's in the chat in Gali.
Drop W's in the chat, guys. You guys know
Drop
we
a
do
Gali
it.
there.
Drop Gullies in the chat.
Let's go. Well done.
Real account
Only.
my own money. If they can't do it live, guys, they're wasting our time, bruh. If they can't do it live, they are wasting our time. I'm $5,000 up on this trade. Talk to me nicely, guys. Talk to me nicely. Let's go.
There's the W's. There we go.
There's the W's in the chat, guys. There.
Gali. There we go. Hey.
Floating 5K.
Nice.
Floating 5K. Told you guys, trust the setup, my people. Trust the setup. If you're happy, take your pie and vie. If you're happy, take your money and go.
Nice, Gali. Nice.
A win on the chat.
That's it.
Told you guys,
You kind of flowed. You can't be
trust.
excited, Gali.
Trust.
You
We
can't
can't
be happy
get.
about
We can't be happy
you
about
can't be too happy
our own trades,
trades
apparently.
that hit profit, that makes
Yeah.
profit, Gali. So I don't know. Let's be sad. Be sad.
Be sad. We're not allowed to be happy, apparently. For some Instagram traders who don't trade.
Yo.
For some Instagram traders that don't trade, they can't do this. We're floating.
No.
Account is almost doubled, guys. Account is almost
There
doubled.
we go, Gali. Lali. You know the people. You know the
Account is almost
Maybe see how
doubled.
much you guys are making this at.
Guys, the whole office is on this trade. The whole office is trading here with me, guys. Right? Remember, if you're happy with your thing, take your money and go, my people. Take your money and go. Or close out some positions. Leave stop loss at entry. Up 20K. Nice, guys. Guys, I would really appreciate it if you guys can maybe take a screenshot and post this on your stories. It's gonna help us boost engagement on the stream. Maybe take a picture of the chart and your profit. Whatever you guys can do, man. If you guys won't mind, you're not obligated to do so, you know. But I mean, it will really, really help us in the stream. We want to be the biggest stream, you know. That's our
Someone's
goal.
up $1,000 here.
We want to be up. We want to be the biggest stream. So if you guys can do it, we'd really appreciate that, man. We'd really, really appreciate that.
What's the signal of the century?
Yeah, what a clean signal, guys. Monitor. Close if you're happy, and yeah, move. So I'm moving all stop losses to entry now.
Bro, they think that guy's American. Nah, he's not from America.
That guy's not from America.
He's from PE.
That
From
guy's
Port
from
Elizabeth.
Yes,
PE,
Port
da.
Elizabeth.
He's from PE, bro.
You sold his McLaren to survive. You failed as a course.
Yeah, I don't want to get involved. W is the chat.
Right, you. Let's just
Okay,
take a step back.
You know, I don't mind criticism if it's proper, yeah, but also do it respectfully.
Yeah.
Number one, and number two, your content mustn't be like me. I don't go bashing traders. If my way of trading is this, I show you how I trade. You know, not to go and say, oh, this guy's doing it wrong. If someone is doing it wrong, show people the right way. Then, you know, show people the right way. And if you're not doing that, then you're taking chances, man. Don't take
No, he was
chances.
just looking for clients.
Just looking for clients, man. Just looking for clients. Closed one, got one runner, 100%. You close, you got a runner. That's dope, my G. Risk free. No one should lose money now, guys. No one should lose money. No one should lose money. It was a winning morning. How many people do you have on chat? How many likes do you have? Can you check?
Check it out, check. We should be about 200 something right now. Let's just check on
What is he listening to?
He's taking multiple trades. Not necessarily, man. Taking multiple positions. Sometimes we just like that. Doesn't mean you're scalping. If you hold it for a long period of time, it's not really a scalp.
How does Alex know such sensitive information?
Guys, you don't mess with Alex.
I know everything.
He knows everything. He knows everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
Like there's one thing. If I open my mouth, you're my guy.
Yeah. That's why guys mustn't come at us, especially because we mind our own business. We do our own thing. Don't use us to try and get clout, man. Especially because we do things the proper way. We're not here scamming people, or we're not here taking chances. I broke down the chart for you guys now before the trade happened. When the market was up here, I told you I'm waiting for it to come. When price came, it was in drawdown. I told you guys I'm waiting for the 5-minute close. Don't stress. My stop loss had to be below a low. I'm not taking chance. I'm not guessing here, guys. You know. So people can't come and just talk cack things they don't even know, but they don't even show 1 or 2 trades.
Is it?
Well, I can't say cack. It's cack as forward. Close 900 and profit. Shout out my brother. Well done, my G.
There we go. Come on.
Well done. We're still boosting. Nice. W's. What's Alex's IG? Follow Alex in the chat.
Yo, bro.
Oh, yeah. Shout out everyone. W's now. Run some errands. Yeah, you made money. Take your money and buy.
They said I'm new here. We'll say it's good to see two people to actually trade with 2 oaks talking about everything other than
Trading. Yeah, 100%. Oh, I don't know what that is.
I know exactly what he's talking about.
I know exactly. I think I know what you're talking about, but I'm not getting involved in that, guys. Guys, I don't get me involved in that, guys.
That doesn't involve us.
I'm not.
I
see what he's doing there.
I see.
Back to the trade. How we doing?
Push, Gally, push.
Let's go. Showtime, baby. Let's go. Real account. As always, you guys know with me. Hey, you got
investigator, bro.
Yeah, nah.
Chat is investigator.
But I like the fact that you can't bluff the chat. You can't lie to the chat. They know. They can see.
Even if it takes a year or 2 later.
Yeah.
Like it's 2 years for things to come up, bro.
Yeah.
But 2 years later, things
Everything
must come
will
out.
everything will come to light.
And how
If you're
many
doing
years
nonsense,
out
if
there,
you're doing nonsense, it will come to light.
We're
If
years
you're
in
robbing
this game
people,
right now,
you're doing
bro.
things, it will come to light.
See, like you're years in this game right at this point. You know what I mean?
100%.
So like things would have come out. And
100%,
so
bro.
It speaks for itself, bro. That's what I'm saying. Like, you know, we gotta keep it transparent, slow and steady, but somewhere we have some motion going.
100%.
And it's real motion. Not
Real motion,
not
yeah.
of other people's
Not of
motion.
other people, yeah.
Yeah.
Talking
And
about
you
this
still don't have the
person.
real motion.
Aye.
I want to reach 4,100 subscribers in a way.
Yeah. We do it live, guys. Guys, I can go now, nah? I can leave now, right? You guys got your trade, you got everything, you're up, stop losses at entry. You don't mind me going now. So yesterday I made 10k live on stream. Today I was running up 6k. That 16k I made in front of you guys. But yeah, I didn't close these ones yet. My stops are at break even. But yeah, I made money live with you guys, man. Monday I didn't send a signal.
Yes, so listen to this guy.
What
if
Tuesday?
it doesn't move, the market, Trump does.
Yeah.
Yeah, nah, it's true.
What's your IG, bro? My IG. Let me give you my IG quick before I buy.
Everything Gucci.
It's Marcellino _FX. That's it over there, my G.
I'll say champ.
Darcy. Hey, there's a lecturer that you said. Darcy. Afrikaner, bro, I think, huh?
Ek praat baie mooi Afrikaans.
Hey, I'll ask him, hey, sir, does it mean to say Darcy? That's our new line, Gary. Darcy. How you spell that?
They tell you push 2 hours today, bro. Come.
What? I must push 2 hours?
Yeah.
Who wants that? Yo, stay till 12. Pull 2 hours today, bro. Yeah.
If every one of those person can at least give the link out to 2 people, bro. They could.
Okay, I'll stay till past. If I get, how many likes do you have now?
No.
No. Take a screenshot and share it.
Okay, if you take a screenshot and just share it on your social media, guys, and I'll stay till past.
If we can get 50 of them to do that now.
50 people can do that. I'll stay the whole day. I'm joking.
Really?
Not the whole day, bruh. But I'll stay. Ooh, gold is buying, bruh.
Let's make it
Gold
like
is
this.
buying, bruh.
If 50 people can screenshot this, right? 50 people can screenshot it, tag and comment, tag you, and tag Comit in space.
Okay, tell them what they need to do.
This there. Yeah, I'm gonna do this, right? Yeah. So we're gonna say 50 people can tag, screenshot right now the stream, and tag Masi, tag space and Comit right now, and it'll keep him on for another hour, bro. Like
Keep them until half an hour.
till 12.
What am I gonna do till 12? The trade is going on its own now. It's on autopilot now.
Yeah, we're gonna talk.
Oh, we're just gonna talk. I'm not gonna analyze stuff now.
We're gonna see what we can do.
Okay, we'll see. Okay, I'll see. Okay, I'll do. Okay, fair. Fair.
Yeah, we do a giveaway as well.
We do one comment.
Ooh. This account must double, bruh.
Come, they must drop Gali in the chat if they want.
Drop Gali in the chat. Do all of that stuff, guys.
We'll do giveaway.
And they'll do a giveaway.
Yeah.
They said they're gonna do a giveaway, guys. Account doubled, everybody.
Live on a free chat.
Live for free, guys.
Live on a free stream.
For free. For absolutely free. For absolutely free, guys. I gave it to you for free. What a setup. So to those that were doubting my setup in the beginning of the... Oh, it's almost 8 grand. For those who are doubting my setup...
Tell you how many now? It's 8 grand.
I'm almost 8 grand, yeah.
Nice.
Look at my setup. This is nice, but look at the setup. Talk to me nicely. Ooh!
Here we go. 8,000, almost 9,000. Almost 9,000. Let's go.
We're rolling now.
That's what we're talking about. Another 10K for the day.
You know what? Price is at my previous high. I'm happy with my profit. I'm closing, guys. Thank you. Price reached my previous high. This was the previous high, guys. Price has reached there. I'm happy with my profit.
Well done.
Double my account. I'm out. You guys can continue holding stop loss at entry if you are. And yup, continue holding. Remember, overall projection for this is much higher, guys. But I'm happy with my trade. I'm out.
Let's go. TP hit all of that.
Nice one.
I am placing 5,000 lot. I'm going in.
Oh, guys,
I'm going
5
in.
entry 5 lot. Gary entry gold in entry 500. Now the entry
I'm
500.
closing.
Closing 18,000.
I closed 1 million profit.
I'm out.
Full margin.
Full margin. W's in the chat.
Is your drop on?
Yo, this guy said may the Lord be those who doubted the setup.
Huh? What is it?
May the Lord be with those who doubted the setup.
Hey, may the Lord be with those who doubted the setup. Guys, remember why I closed? Because the previous high has hit.
Go to DJ.
Put your airdrop on.
Yeah, did you have a setup at DJ?
Oh, yeah. Flip. Wait, we could be trading again.
Kali.
There's still time. I don't know how to do it like that, bro.
2 minutes.
What's your analysis on DJ shot? Higher?
GJ, we wanted to come down low. Hey?
Video. I see the video.
You sent the video? Oh, cool. Shout out my G.
Sure.
Shout out GJ, bro. Just remember, this is free content the man is doing. Work of the gods. Shout out my bro Joshua. Appreciate it, my brother. Why is the chat only using God's name in vain?
Look at it. This is. Don't say the name out loud. You can see what it is. This is no.
Oh yeah.
Past 28 days. No? Look at us. Past 28 days.
Oh. That's big. Yeah, guys. Our goal in this is to once again, this is my client. OG, I'm on stream. I'll call you back now. Are you on stream?
91.
I'm still on. Oh, how much up? Yeah, I'll call you back. I will. Nice. Hey, my students are making money, guys. My students are making money.
Making money.
Let's see what else I can see for you guys. Remember what I said about the 4-hour close, why it's so important. Remember this was falling down at 4 hour. Remember you guys told me, gee, this thing is falling, what, at this point, which at that point it was. And I said, guys, wait. This is why you wait, because the 4-hour can still close above the support. And you see what happens when it closes above the support here? It vies up. So if it closes here, it could vie up. That's not a signal, because there's other things we need to take into consideration. But yo, you get the point. I went out late. Joshua, nothing is free. Let's see. Let me come back to the chat, guys. USD JPY. Let me see what I can see for USD JPY. Who's that person next to me? There's two people, bruh. I don't know which one you're referring to. They're both my G's. USD JPY. USD JPY now is bullish. Let's see. We've taken out those previous highs. Let's see if I can see anything on the lower time frame. Lower time frame, you can wait for this. There's a setup for you guys for later. Take this one for later. Take this one for later. Take this for later, my G's. Here's a low. Here's the new high. Exactly the same setup as we just took now. One thing. Wait for price to retrace to the 500. Price retraces here. Wait for candlestick confirmation above a support. Buy going up. Only if you get candlestick confirmation. Let's go, Gali. Let's go, Gali. The one with the black t-shirt. Bruh, they want to meet you.
Who's this? You. Oh, they
want to meet you, bruh. Yo, I love it my people make money, man. I love it my people make money. Hey, introduce yourself, bro. They want to meet you.
Yeah, guys, what's up? I'm Shaquille. As you guys know, some of you guys, some who don't know. And I think, yeah, you'll see me in the chat sometimes. Sometimes I'm streaming. Sometimes I'm behind the scene.
Yeah, guys, he's the guy behind the stream, guys. He organizes everything. Sets everything up for us, so big shout out to him. If it wasn't for him,
Shout out, Shaquille.
big shout out to him, Shaquille. Yeah, because honestly, this thing of streaming and stuff, I didn't know. All I just come and do is sit down and chat work, and I leave.
Yeah, so that's what we do, guys. I basically direct the streams, direct in marketing and trade for myself. Yeah, so a lot of things I'm doing, but yeah, I trade basically and do a lot more. Make sure that these guys also get push out real traders as well. So yeah, hey.
So he's in charge of bringing proper traders on this platform.
Yeah.
So if you're questioning someone that might come in the future, you speak to him. You speak to him.
No. Listen, yeah, he's right. Yeah, so I must make sure like I audit the traders. You see, I audit them. So meaning what I mean by that is I make sure you see I come check the account. I know he deposit. I check with the team as well. He's doing his withdrawals. That's why I can vouch for him because I know that he does trade, you know. And that's why I'm saying like every trader comes on here, they need to be trading and actually providing real trades and not fake, you know, demo stuff on here. So
7 likes away. Can I get 7 likes, please, guys? 150 likes, please. I'd really appreciate that. I'll do my withdrawal live on stream. I'll probably show you guys on my screenshots like I always do.
Yeah, and then also with that being said, we just growing our traders, like we grow them. Biggest no.
Huh?
They said bring Joas, bro.
Never.
I don't need anyone but Gully.
I'm not gonna lie, Dennis. No.
Guys, I'm not saying anything about any other trader, guys.
I'll never do that to the stream. Hell no. I'm so sorry.
As long as I come here and give you a good content, not content.
I don't
good
know.
what?
I don't know if a guy trades really anymore, bro. At this point in my life, I can't. I would have to audit you. I have to say, yo, can I get into your withdrawals and that and deposits? Bro, I'm being serious, bro. Like,
I hear you.
Daddy, I can see your account like, that you're doing right now. I can
Oh
see
yeah,
what
you
you're
can
doing.
see I'm doing it right now. Yeah.
These guys, when they do this thing, they run away first.
They withdraw.
Behind the stuff, bro. Behind the scene.
39. What's it? Let's see. 39. What is it? See, I close a bit late, so I close like 50 rand short.
Bro, they say I might need to go to Turkey soon, bro.
Why? Because of your hair. Who said that?
Yeah.
You guys are evil, man. Who said that?
Somebody on top, bro.
MFX way. Shout out Jerry, my bro. Bro, tell us who mine. My IG. I gave it to you, bro. I gave it to you.
I think Shaquille.
See, it came right down to entry. Oh no, it didn't. But you see, guys, why I told you to close. Once price reached previous high, go back to the beginning of the stream, take out partial profit. And that's what I did. I told you I'm closing my profit exactly when it peaked. I'm withdrawing my profit now.
So I'm gonna ask him, I have a female trader. I am looking for a good female trader.
A female trader?
Yeah.
Hey, who asked that? Is that a female?
It'd be nice to have a female trader that really push.
Some dollar. I don't know if you want it for the good reason or the wrong reason. Where's the MFX fam? Yeah, where's my students, guys? Please comment MFX before I go. I want to see how many of my people are on.
Imagine like traders on this.
Me not talk on Instagram, so.
But I don't think people will focus.
Yeah.
Hey, easy, not on my stream, guys. I'm a married man.
I'm a mermaid too.
Hey,
I'm talking about the guys here, and they're gonna be.
There's my withdrawal, guys. My withdrawal is done. I will show you guys once it hits my account. I'll post it. Withdrawal done. I found real money. If I lost, I would have lost real money on stream.
Did they tag you, bro? They're serious about this. They tagged us.
MFX, they here. There's my people here. My people are here, bruh.
No, did they tag you on Instagram? Just check on Instagram.
Nah, it was just a few, not 50.
Not 50 though, no?
Yeah.
Nah, we get it.
MFX, aware. For profits, bro. MFX. Aware. Shout out my guys.
Okay, wait.
Love my team, bro. I love my team. I love my team. 156 likes. Yeah, we did it, guys. What's the bros? His name? I'll repost the stuff now. You'll see. I don't know it off by heart. I'll repost it and you'll just click on it and think. MFX, aware. My people are here. So, Gali, so you withdraw every single day, bruh. Monday to Friday, I withdraw. I fund to withdraw. I don't build my trading account balance. I build my bank account balance. Every day. Yesterday, I withdrew. Day before, I didn't trade live on stream, but I still withdrew. I took a trade later in the evening. I'm not sure if you guys saw that. But yeah, every day, bruh. I trade to make money and withdraw daily. I'll probably trade again later as well. But just on stream now, we made like 7 grand. 7 grand every day. It's not bad. Yesterday, we made 10 grand. So just off the trades that I took here, I was 17 grand in 2 days. I'm not the richest trader, but I trade for real, bruh. I trade for real daily. And I show you guys. I tried to sign up with Space. I got declined. Who can I speak to? You can speak to me, bruh. Just message me on Instagram or Telegram or whatever. I'll sort it out for you. I'll get them to sort it out. Marcia also got declined. Okay, whoever is having problems to sign up with Space Markets, use the link that's under the description. Then you message me and I'll get them to sort it out today. Today is not long from now. Today. Aware. Cool, guys. That's all for me. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Appreciate it. And I'll see you again next week, Tuesday. So for me, guys, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is when I'm on. But the stream is on every day at 10 and 4. There will be other traders on. So support those guys as well. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next week, guys. All the best and have a good weekend. And yeah, goodbye.